Okay, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a track your order page to your Shopify store. You'll be able to see how simple it is, and it can cut down on a lot of customer emails and replying to customers if your site actually has a tracking page that they can actually look up their order. Once you're logged into your Shopify account, what you're going to have to do is go to online store, and you're going to have to go to pages. All right, now once you do that, you're going to click on the add page option, and then right here in the title, I'm going to title the page. Okay, now once you have your title filled in, what you're going to do is you're going to go to right here and click this tab, okay, which is going to allow you to now insert a code. So I actually have the code right here. I'm going to drop the code right in the description area on the video so you can easily access it, and all you have to do is just literally copy and paste that code. You're just going to go back right here and paste it right in here. So once you have that code pasted in there, you're just going to click this right again, and it's going to show the tracking information down there. You're going to go up here and hit save. Okay, now we have to add it to the main navigation. So we're going to scroll right down here, click on navigation, and then we're going to click on main menu. Then scroll down to the bottom here and click on add menu item. Okay, so once this pops up on the right side, right here in the box, you can go to pages, and since you saved it, you'll see the track your order pop up right here. And just click on that. And now once you have that done, go right here and click on the green add button, and then we're going to save it again as well. Okay, now I'm going to go to the page and make sure that everything is actually showing. Okay, if I go right here, click on this tab right here, track your order, you'll see that it's listed right there. Okay, and customer literally just has to put their tracking number in there, hit track, and they'll be able to get all the tracking information without having to message you, email you, or whatever the case is. All right, but as you see here, we still do need to change that customer email. All right, so just go back to the site, go back to pages, go back to track your order. Okay, and then right in here, you can edit whatever your email is. Okay, so I'll put in update the email information and hit save. Okay, now if I go back to that page, refresh it, right, and as I refresh the page, as you can see, the email has been updated. All right, so thanks for watching the video. Hopefully I broke it down as simple as possible, and if you got some value from this video, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll have other content dropping very soon. All right, once again, have a blessed day. Peace.